It's so exciting for us to hear great feedback. We really do take the time to provide everyone with a first-class experience. And it's so rewarding to know that our efforts aren't going unnoticed. But it's even better that we can share it with you right now. It's obvious that great experiences like this always make us smile. Knowing that everyone is happy is our strongest motivation. We believe that our future success comes from our success today, and we hope it gives you the confidence to use our services sometime soon. Find out why everyone values their experience with us so much. They keep coming back over and over again. We want to show you how our extensive experience and superior service can help you too. Thank you for dropping in today. We look forward to hearing from you soon. Contact us soon and let us give you the same amazing service.